I can remember a time where, I live on the south side of Chicago. You weren't gonna get a taxi to take you there late at night. And it seems so small, but it's such a huge impact in not having to rely on other people and giving people the opportunity for mobility. And so that's where the community operations team comes in.
Community operations is Uber's organization responsible for everything around customer care. We operate 24/7 in dozens of countries and across multiple languages. We cut across all the different Uber businesses and we provide support for customers that need some type of help.
Community operations has a massive scope and scale. It's the largest function within the Uber organization by far. I think that it is one of the few orgs that actually interfaces with every single other function.
In each region, we have a regional team that partners very closely with the local business. And we also have a number of global teams that operate for things that require greater scale.
Each market is completely different. The expectations from customers completely different. The way that we approach problems is completely different. In Uber, we really started very decentralized. And then over time, as we start to see the similarities between different markets, one thing that we realized is majority of the markets, they're a lot more similar than they are different.
We are oftentimes the only touch point that any customer is truly going to have with the organization and a real human within the organization. So it's imperative that we make sure that we have empathetic, clear conversations with all of these individuals and are really here to resolve their issues. So we work with every single community to figure out what is it that you need from us as Uber and how can we improve your lives and actually support those by influencing our tech counterparts.
The culture on the community operations team, I think, is fantastic. We're able to be a team that kind of gets our hands dirty and is willing to go to product teams, trying to think of things from points of view that other teams might not remember. So I love that go-get attitude that the community operations team has.
I think community operations is a great place to grow your career. You're going to have access to an incredible set of managers and mentors that can help you develop and guide your journey. You're going to be exposed to a number of different parts of the company, and you're going to get very close to customers, both on the rider and driver side, as well as our other businesses. And it's just going to provide a foundation of knowledge that will be very valuable throughout your career.
One of my favorite parts about working with so many different stakeholders and people on different teams is how quickly the days go by. I'm constantly busy building those relationships and getting to see how every part of the business works. So I love the different perspectives.
We're kind of like the face of the company, I would say, because we're the ones that all of the clients or customers are dealing with on a day-to-day basis if things don't go correctly. I think it's seeing things happen in the real world that have to do with Uber and knowing the impact that you personally had on our community. I don't really see a world anymore without rideshare, and Uber is that. It's a verb, it's a noun. Everybody refers to rideshare as an Uber, even if they're not referring to Uber. So I think the impact is massive.